In this video, I'll go over the pre-approval email plugin in Xeams. This feature allows a moderator to approve or reject an incoming or outgoing email before it gets delivered. Pre-approval plugin is enabled by going to the admin console and clicking on Plugins under the Home menu. Here's an example scenario. A manager at a company, Bob, wants to approve outgoing emails from Mary, who is an employee in the company and is sending emails to a new client. In the plugins page, I set Bob as the moderator. I put Mary as the sender. I put the client's email address in the recipient. I click on Submit. I now see the new approval rule at the bottom. The email flow will be the following. Mary sends an email to the client. Instead of delivering the message, Xeams will send an email to Bob for approval. If Bob approves the message, Xeams will send it out. If he rejects the email, Xeams will not deliver it. Here's what the approval email looks like. The bottom part of the email has the original message from Mary. The top part has the following options for Bob: approve or reject the message. Please note that you can change the appearance for the top part of this email. Once the message is approved, the original email from Mary will be sent to the client.